Are you sick and tired of sandals that don't fit and cause foot pain? And yet you are not willing to sacrifice style over comfort? Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Linda, the creator of Urban C3, and I've struggled for years to find sandals that don't hurt my feet. The footwear industry is plagued by a fast fashion mindset, focusing on mass production and letting those individuals down who deviate from the norm. Did you know that 40% of the population has either flat feet or high arches? And in addition, there are people with wide or slim feet. The only option for those are orthopedic shoes that are crazy expensive and old-fashioned. Meanwhile, the footwear industry ranks among the top 10 contributors to microplastic and is responsible for 1.4% of global greenhouse gas emissions. To cut a long story short, the footwear industry neglects people with non-standard feet and is one of the least sustainable sectors worldwide. We knew there had to be a better way. As ex-bankers, we were new to the footwear world and approached it with fresh eyes. We started from scratch and learned everything we could about the shoe industry. We ordered tons of materials and traveled through Europe to visit factories and fairs. But guess what? The industry is bound by old conventions so strongly that no one could help us produce our product. That's when we came up with a completely new approach, the Urban C3 sandal.
We went all in on this project, creating countless of prototypes without holding back on time or money. We joined forces with renowned universities to explore a range of production methods. Together with our designer Christina, we brought our prototype to the next level. The result is the most individual and sustainable sandal concept in the world. Our sandals ensure the perfect fit for every foot. By combining cutting-edge technology with high-end craftsmanship, we guarantee the highest quality standards. In addition, we collaborated with foot health experts to include ergonomic corrections into our footbeds. Our concept is convenient and very easy to use. You can personalize your design using our online configurator and simply scan your feet at home using our smartphone app. We use the scanning data to tailor a footbed just for you. On top of that, with our changeable straps, you can create dozens of styles with only one sandal base. Sustainability is at the heart of our product. That's why we use sustainable raw materials from carefully selected suppliers. Our sandals are designed in Switzerland and produced under fair conditions in Europe. Our vision is to use modern technologies and AI to automate the shoe production process.
With Urban C3, we want to showcase that there is no need to compromise style, health, or sustainability to get the perfect sandal. Thanks to our concept, everyone can enjoy the free feeling of wearing sandals without pain, as we make a positive impact on both the consumer and the planet. Back our campaign now and help us to make the shoe industry more sustainable. Back us now!